Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Guys, how are you? I am Javed Ahmed. I am a freelancer. If you are worried about how to earn online, don't worry. We will teach you how to earn and how to make a channel and how to earn other sources of online earning. Don't know how? I have solution. We will teach you how to make a YouTube channel. It's very simple. We will teach you and we will teach you how to monetize your YouTube channel. Make money and enjoy your life. Don't forget other in your happy moments. Thanks for your attention. Please keep watching my channel and subscribe my channel Tech TV Earning HFT 999. Thank you and goodbye. Take care.